Hello, my name is Laura Madeira. In this short demonstration, I want to show you how to use a new feature with options found exclusively with your QuickBooks Accountant 2012 software. There are many uses for the new condensed data functionality, also known as period copy, available only with QuickBooks Accountant 2012, and they include creating a true archive of a client's large data file, that is, removing old dated transactions. Another reason might be creating a new file with all of the memorized reports and preferences, but minus all of the transactions. And another reason might be to create a copy of the data with only those transactions in a particular date range. For example, when your client is negotiating selling their business, and the prospect has requested to look at the books for a specific period. Let me show you how we work with this new feature. From the Accountant menu, select Condensed Data. A warning message displays that budget data may also be removed during the condense. The first option, Remove Transactions Before a Specific Date. This is available in Pro, Premier, and Enterprise all editions. And the same is true for the second option, available in all editions of Pro, Premier, and Enterprise 2012. The third option, however, is unique to your QuickBooks Accountant 2012 software, the ability to remove transactions outside of a date range. I'm going to leave the default in this sample data for these two dates before and after, and request that this process remove the transactions prior to those dates and after. The options to summarize transactions, again, are unique only to QuickBooks Accountant or Enterprise Accountant 2012. In Option 1, which is recommended, create one summary journal entry for all transactions prior to your selected before date. Option 2, create a summary journal entry for each month. Or Option 3, which is entirely new to 2012. In fact, when you run a balance sheet in this example, for 12/31/2014, the balance sheet would end up being 0. There would be no balances going forward on the balance sheet. So choose an option that works best for you. If I were trying to archive a client's file and make it smaller, but still wanted my beginning balances to come forward, with the first option, Open Accounts Receivable and Open Accounts Payable will remain in the file. All current calendar year payroll and all prior year payroll will also remain in the file. The payroll archiving is looking to the system date of your computer to determine what calendar year you are currently in. These options are also available in Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. How you want to treat the inventory that will be condensed. The first option, which is recommended, removes all inventory that can be condensed and replaces them with inventory adjustments. Or the second option would keep the inventory transactions details. This second option would limit how small the file could be or how many transactions the condense can actually remove. The Do You Want to Remove the Following Transactions dialog is available in Pro, Premier, and Enterprise all editions. Select those transactions or forms that you do not want in the newly condensed file. Additionally, do you want to remove unused list entries? This dialog again is also available in Pro, Premier, and Enterprise 2012 all editions. You would then begin the condense process. It can take a while, and it depends on the size of your data, but rest assured your data is safe. QuickBooks makes a copy of your company file before it removes any of the data. As you can see, creating a true archive of a client's large data file is now possible with your QuickBooks Accountant 2012 or Enterprise Accountant 12. Even creating a new file with all of the memorized reports and preferences, but removing all the transactions is possible. If you need more information about what is removed and what remains in the file, simply click on the Help menu in your QuickBooks file.